Today I'm replacing the alternator in this 2015 Nissan Sentra. So I have seen a couple videos that says different ways to do it, but I decided to go on the in the intake manifold removing, because it's only 15 bolts. Okay, so, and to me it's really easy to remove them. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then in the bottom gonna be another 5. All you guys gonna need is one 3/8 extension, 10 inches long, and one 6 inches long, I think. So I'm gonna start with the bottom ones. You can start to remove those bolts over here. See it right there. See the extension? There is. Oh, start from bottom, from this. Okay, this side, the way there. So, but first, before you guys start all this procedure, you guys need to remove the battery. Okay, you already did right here, negative terminal. Then disconnect this wire, because you guys gonna have to remove the intake manifold. So. Okay, so there's some clip for the connectors. Okay, so first I'm going to start with this one right here. Just follow the extension. Okay. Fell somewhere. Okay. Okay, right there. Gonna be the other one. Okay. Yeah, there's the other one right there. Okay, right there. Then you're gonna need to remove this oil dipstick third one, third. Fourth. Okay, this is the one is out. Is I'm gonna have to use a magnet. And the other last one, on the bottom, one of okay, just follow the extension. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go with those 5 in the other 5 right here in the middle. So it should be see right, this one. Okay, should be straight. Okay, right underneath this one right here. For that one, I'm gonna need the 6-inch. I don't think it's a 6-inch extension, so more smaller one. So let's know the measurements. Okay, so So this is a 3-inch extension. So you guys gonna need the 10-inch and 3-inch extension. Get those over here. Okay, not really visible, so right here. Okay, there's more. Okay, those on top. One. So magnet. Three. Magnet. 4. Right then. Five in the middle. Okay, now we're gonna go with those on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what happened. They all out and see. Those 15 bolts makes the job simple. Okay, now on there is 2 bolts holes in the alternator. Okay guys, it's out. So now here is the trick. Those bolts doesn't have to go all the way out, because if you notice right here there is a groove, and it's the same thing over here. See, I put the yellow paint there. See, yellow paint. So what is here is over here too, but it's in the front, it's not visible. So once you pull the bolts out all the way over here, in around there. So you're gonna be able to pull the vehicle, pull this alternator from here first. Once you pull from here, you can pull it towards the front of the vehicle and gonna come out easily. Okay, alternator on. Gonna connect this. Okay, here you go. Should be good right there. Forget to put the cover on. This orange one or red connector right here. And okay, connector. Okay, the tape. Now I'm gonna go to the bottom and set the serpentine belt. I have it ready to set it in place when I put the tensioner. Okay. Now right here I have the belt around the alternator. So here in the bottom mean so you're gonna go in the middle between those two pulleys right there. Okay, this one and this one. There's the only two ones. Very bottom is the crankshaft pulley, AC, compressor pulley, then idler pulley. I think this is the water pump. And then all the way on top gonna be the alternator. So it's 5 pulleys altogether. I'm gonna this tensioner right here. Okay, that one. 14mm range. I'm gonna use a 15mm like that. See, that's a leverage. I'm gonna pull the tensioner with one hand, and with the other one I'm gonna put it in place over here on the AC compressor pulley. Okay, there you go, right there. See, it's on place. Don't forget, around the crankshaft pulley, around the AC puller, then between the water pump pulley and idler pulley, and all the way on top on the alternator. So as you guys can see, I removed the tire, passenger side, and the plastic moved to the side, so I could have access to the tensioner. So I just need to put the intake manifold back in place. The installation is the reverse of the removal. Okay, thank you.